Trading and nothing but trading. Hello everyone, SmokeFX is here, and today in this video I will show you the best strategy trading in 2024, which can only exist because many people think that it's impossible to make money in trading, but on the contrary, I made a huge amount of software so that every trade, making money in trading is the absolute truth. Thousands of people know this very well today in this video and before I will show you how each of you can make money in trading without any problems at all. I will use what works in trading again. Yes, this is technical analysis, this is volumetric analysis, this is candlestick analysis. Also I will use additional software, that is, indicators that will show me volumes within the price of foreign exchange assets. That is, today we have the financial market trading and everything connected with it at the beginning of this video and a story below. Put Lyco here I create free educational content in the field of trading, and for now I'm closed. Community, there were 50 pluses in a row. Just think about it, 50 pluses in a row. It's simple record, and this was at a point in time. Right now VLA format, we can look at here 5 pluses a row. This is in bark mode. It goes to the story. I looked at it a little up and scrolled up and looked at 50 pluses in a row. It's easy. Some kind of incredible record. So guys, at the beginning of the video I'll immediately say join the group via the first link in description and under this video, and let's get started. So, an analysis that really works. What is it? The first fact that absolutely everyone needs to pay attention to is the general price movement on the chart. That is, in trading, the main role is played by basic technical analysis. That is, if you use technical analysis in trading, you carry out the general price movement potential of price movement. You make sure that in general your direction, in which direction is correct, in the direction where your arrows go, in this case to increase from this key support level. The price moved up. Let's continue to look clearly. This was a news movement. I think there is no point in explaining, and here we are faced with something with a maximum. That is, here I got stuck. My price couldn't go higher in the moment, then it went up again. Why? Because general upward movement and the potential for movement also upwards. Now I have a price rollback from this. The maximum price rollback where it will occur is to this minimum. It will happen for me, and from here you can go for an increase. Why? Because the general movement and potential are directed upwards, plus here by the word zone interest. That is, if we consider a possible false breakout of this area, below is immediately the zone interest in the upward direction, that is, the general movement and potential. Let's not put this on the back burner. This should not be done in trading. So, at the actual minimum of 4 minutes, enter for a rise. My deal is open. Attention guys, I commented with a specialist for you. What's going on here is important to me, so that you understand why I enter the market, and so that you understand the logic that I am guided by and was guided by the creation of algorithms in my closed group. Well, here the truth is even before the crap of volumes, but that's all written in code. Come in, it's really very simple. Lots of practice, I advise everyone. But here, so that everyone can understand how I do. They managed to manage the previous price approach. I had a reversal. Let's see what the volume was here. Like this. Here I also have a price approach. What is the volume here? Like this. If we compare them like this purely visually, well, they are actually the same. It's even a little more, yes. That is, the first volume is even a little more here. Price is what will happen here is correct price reversal. If there is a negative scenario, it could be because before this here there was a slight breakout of the price from top to bottom when the price moved again from top to bottom, and the same thing happened, but you remember better. So I'm considering absolutely all possible options, all possible scenarios here. Just look at the graph. I'm not telling you that it's easy, I'm telling you that it's real. That is, I am now. I explained for you completely here in hell my decision-making logic. Why am I coming here? For promotion. Why is my area here? Area. Let's, for those who understands what an area is, we have two lines. I'm already used to drawing everything in my head. It's here. Price area has approached the opening of a new candle. Upward movement before this news movement, and now, please, it is going up. The main thing here is to enter the market from some level. In this case, here it is. Please, here it is again. Guys, my logic is maximally in the good sense of the word oak. But before that the movement was up again. The approach is almost the same candle, almost the same volume. Well, what will happen given the fact that the background is on the increase here? The increase will be figured out by a student in. There is nothing complicated in trading if you adhere to the elementary principles. That is, you must understand the logic of price movement. When you understand it, you make money here, and there's nothing hidden in it. That's the truth about. For some reason, everyone thinks that trading is super mega difficult, but I prove with my own examples that in trading it can. Anyone can really make money, a schoolboy, an old grandmother, your grandfather, or anyone, sat down and started practicing. There is, in any case, you should get your head in the good sense of the word, then. There is sit down and start making deals, start analyzing what is going on here. There is no return. We would like this. But even in this case, nothing terrible happened. This also happens in trading, so it's realistic for you. Live example: the price went up perfectly. The price in the last 30 seconds came back perfectly. I draw a conclusion. What does this indicate to me? That now I have increased volatility. If I have increased volatility, this says that the price is not fixed simply at the point I need. If it is not fixed but only at a point in time, is there? That is, most of the time she was in a place where everything was fine for me. Satisfied. It means I'm reducing the time to enter the market. Here's an absolutely real example for you, and that is a refund. It happens even to me. As you saw, it's super rare. But let this rarity be on video. But it's the complete truth. In the end this time it's already for sure. Plus you see that the price didn't go lower. Look here, just in the moment. Time, she returned to the opening point. Yes, I would like everything to be super mega smooth initially, but it would be dust in the eyes are pure Zhemenka. Just like that they threw you off so that you missed this moment. They could have cut it off somehow. Montage. Well, you understand. I'll come up with something to somehow cheer you up, but no. I'm showing you an absolutely. I entered the trade. I analyzed everything clearly, neck to neck, 30 seconds OPPO to the opening point. Well, that's all. Incredible rarity. 1 minute entry into the market, and look, I don't leave this currency pair on purpose so you can be convinced that this happens in trading, but this is the norm. The most important thing is to get your bearings in time. The volatility has increased at the moment. Misbehaved with fixation. Okay, 1 minute entering the market, what's the problem? And then look, even if you entered at 2 minutes this would also be a plus. There is no need to invent something or go somewhere, but such situations as returning to in trading, they also have a place and you should understand about it. Well, in the end, looking at this candle, everything is great. Movement, I think on a scale you can see it perfectly movement, so it went up despite the fact that in the moment, over time, volatility increased. As a result, the volume came back to increase and there was already a systematic movement upwards happened. That is, this increase in volatility was literally 30 seconds, but we are with you. Reinsurance. Otherwise we usually have plus X's flying like crazy. We don't have clean dirty ones. But here with return in general is beautiful. Let's do something like this. Yes, it's more interesting. The euro currency pair GBP. Let's do it again. Let's look at the payment 35. That's what I was talking about. So we'll skip it. But I just need a bigger payment. Guys, let's take a look here then. Sometimes this happens when paying out in trading. Oh great. New currency pairs have been added that weren't like this before. KGP. Let's watch this currency pair CGP GP. Great. It was just the next one. Let's look at the upward movement. The whole background is on the rise. Here we have a peak in liquidity, so a small rollback occurred. After the rollback, we go to the increase. Here is a simple analysis. So GP giving these 4 minutes to increase. The deal is open and is now here.
Hey, yeah, boy.